ចេកទុំដើមបងប្អូនណាចេកទុំដើម so I have to put plastic bag because I don't want it to be freeze in the winter wow សួស្តីបងប្អូនកូនទាំងអស់គ្នាថ្ងៃនេះខ្ញុំមកបង្ហាញរបៀបធ្វើចេកខ្ទិះ Today I'm going to show you how to make banana dessert with tapioca. So banana is grown in my backyard. It even make it better. So here it is. So I'm going to use about 4 or 5 banana. ខ្ញុំប្រើចេកប្រហែលជា4ឬ5 1/3 cup of tapioca ខ្ញុំប្រើម្សៅសាគូ1កែវភាគ3 1 teaspoon of salt អំបិល1ស្លាបព្រាកាហ្វេ And I'm going to use about half or 1/3 cups of sugar and some coconut milk. I'm going to add 3 cups of water. ទឹកខ្ញុំដាក់3កែវបងប្អូន Okay, I'm going to bring it to a boil. យកទៅដាំឲ្យពុះ ឥឡូវទឹកយើងពុះហើយបងប្អូនយើងដាក់សាគូចូលមក Add tapioca pearl and stir occasionally so that way it won't stick to the bottom of the pan ហើយយើងអាសាកូរដើម្បីកុំឲ្យវាស្អិតជាប់នៅបាតឆ្នាំងណាបងប្អូន Okay, and you continue to cook until it is turning into translucent color យើងចំអិនតតែសាគូយើងមើលទៅឃើញថ្លាឆ្វង់ណាបងប្អូន Okay. It is turning into clear translucent. It's ready. 1 teaspoon of salt អំបិល1ស្លាបព្រាកាហ្វេ half cup of sugar ស្ករសខ្ញុំប្រើកន្លះកែវសិន I'm going to use half cup first. Add the banana ដាក់ចេកចូលមកបងប្អូន 1 cup of coconut milk ចេកខ្ទិះរួចរាល់ហើយបងប្អូនមានរសជាតិឆ្ងាញ់មែនតើ You can adjust the sugar. All done.